Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to translate document in any language in Google Docs. Friends, if you want to translate your Google Docs document, then you simply need to open your Google Docs file. Now as you can see, our Google Docs file is in English language. Now if you want to translate it to some other language, then you simply need to click on Tools. Now here you need to click on Translate Document. Now here you need to select the language. Now here you will find almost all the languages. I want to translate it in Hindi language, so I will select Hindi. Now after selecting the language, you need to click on Translate. Now as you can see, it has made a new copy of the document in the translated language. So friends, like this you can very easily translate your Google Docs document in any language. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.